Did you know that when God created the Sabbath, His purpose was to build a vibrant relationship with His creation? The Sabbath wasn't just meant to be a judicial law or a simple rule to follow. It was designed for quality time with Him as our Creator. Now in Exodus chapter 20 verse 8, God says, "Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy." Now the word holy is unique in the Ten Commandments. Why? Because of His presence. It was holy. The Sabbath was not just a day, it is a time set apart by God Himself. Think about it. This holiness is engraved in time. The Ten Commandments were placed in the ark, which was in the most holy place. Outside of that was the holy place, inside the holy temple, in the holy city, within a holy nation, all made holy because of His presence. The Sabbath is more than just a day. It is an invitation to experience a deep and meaningful relationship with Him.